Welcome to another video of C++ programming course. In this video we will learn about escape sequence in C++. These are special non-printing characters. These characters are not displayed in the output, but these used to control the printing behavior. An escape sequence is prefixed with a backslash. These escape sequences start with a backslash. Literally, these contains only two characters. The first one is backslash and the other one is another character. We will learn about this. The escape sequence is used inside a string constant. These are written in single or double quotes. When we write output statement, we can use these escape sequence. These escape sequence can be inserted in any position of the string. If I want printing hello world, so I can use the escape sequence in the beginning of the string, at the middle, or at the end of the string. So these are most useful escape sequence. The backslash is important. It comes first of every escape sequence. The /n, it is used for new line. /t is used to horizontal tab. /single quote. If you are printing a single quote on the screen, you will not able to print this without the /single quote. So we run these on the program. So I want to print dear programmer. This is printing on the screen, but I want the program written on the next line. So I don't want to use another cout statement. I would just use an escape sequence /n. As I told you, /n is used for new line. /n is used for new line. So after the escape sequence, the other characters will print on the next line. So you can see here the programmer is printing on the next line. And there is a tab /t. It is used for printing horizontal tab. Horizontal tab is consist of 6 to 8 spaces. So if I use this, this will print the deer on the few spaces. And so if I want to print double quote in the string, I have to use /double quote. But if I use this without backslash or escape sequence, this will give an error. So if I want the programmer written in the quotes, I will use /double quote. So you can see here the programmer is written in the double quotes. So these are some important, you can try these one. So that's all for today. We will learn more in the next videos.